Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you, how to migrate data from Excel sheet to CRM. Okay. For example, in contact. Okay, in a contact screen. So I have to upload data from the Excel sheet. For example, email ID, first name, last name, mobile number. Okay, I have created one Excel sheet and I have entered here, and this data I'm going to export in the CRM. How to do it? Okay, by using the Power Automate. So Power Automate, and also we are going to cover one more topic is try catch. Try catch we used in JavaScript, and we have used in plugins. Now we are going to use in Power Automate also. Okay, that concept also will be covering in this topic. So the scenario is very clear. So I have data in the Excel sheet, and this data I want to export to contact screen. Okay, this is out of box entity, right? My contact is out of box. Contacts are out of box entity. Here I want to upload it. So how to upload? First go to Power Automate, Power Apps. Okay, and next you have to create a flow. Okay, next you have to create a flow. What flow? So there are three, four flows are there, right? So one is automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, scheduled cloud flow, and I described it to design it and desktop flow. Okay, so now I'm going to show you uh, instant cloud flow only. Okay, what is that? Instant cloud flow. So let me show you. So cloud flow name is uh, data import from data import. That's it. It is enough. And this trigger is a manual trigger a flow. This option we are selecting and click on create. Okay. Next thing is we have to read data from the Excel sheet. So direct Excel it will not support. For example, one Excel file is there in your desktop, so it will not directly import to the Power Automate flow. So how it will import? First create OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive for one account. So this account is you can use like the CRM credentials only. By using CRM accounts only, you can create one account, and also you can create one Excel sheet here itself. Okay, create or upload one button is there, right? And Excel workbook you can create it. And once you created Excel workbook, in that workbook enter the data and create the table and enter the data. Okay, that is the process. For example, this is the workbook, right? And here what you need to do is right click, right click, and the table is there, get a table. Okay, and click OK. Column 1 student name, like that. Sorry, I just clicked on double click. I mean, this is not required. I'm closing it. Columns you create it. Column 1 full name, first name, like that. First name, and second column is last name, and third column is email, fourth column is phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, like this you have to create the columns and enter the data, and once you did it, right click, click the create, convert to range. Okay, and enter the data, and then it will be created the table. Okay, this table already I have created one table, so this is the table I have created, and you I think it is already open. See, now you see this is my table. See, this is my table, and I have entered my data also. So this data I want import to the contacts. Okay, so this is a prerequisite only. You have to do it before this automation. Okay, so now go back to the Power Apps. Now what you need to do is you need import contact from the Excel sheet, right? So now what you need to do, add next step and select Excel business. Okay, this option, and then after that you can select list row present in the table. Okay, list row present in the table, one option is there, this one, list rows present in the table. And now you select location. Location is our location only. OneDrive for business, OneDrive account. Library also OneDrive only. And file name you have to select Vijay, my Excel sheet name. File name is your Excel sheet name. And table name, that you have created table name. That table name automatically create. Automatically the value should be populated. Okay, this is the table name. Go to is the table name. Automatically it is displaying. So whenever you are doing like Power Automate automation, you have to pick the values from the from the fields only, existing fields only. Always you pick it. Okay, this data is available. You have to pick it. Next, save, and after that you have to apply. Next, you have to apply each. Okay, and apply to each one operation you have to do. Apply to each. See, apply to each is a control, so it will apply to each. And here you have to select this data value, you have to use it, right? Value, list of the items. See, all the table data will be stored in this value. That means, okay, you have to select value option here. Okay, that's it. So next, try, as I said earlier, uh, try catch. Okay, exceptional handling, right? Exceptional handling. Try catch, we have to use it, right? So now try catch, how to use it here. Now you can write inside this, inside the apply each, you have to use the try catch. So you have to directly, there is no try catch option in the Power Automate. You have to use scope only. It is an interview question, remember. Scope, search with the scope. Scope is a control. Okay, select this control and then rename it. Okay, so what you need to rename is try, try create contact. We are going to create a contact. Okay, try create a contact, like that you can add it. Okay, so next you have to add the action. Okay, so now you are going to create one contact in the Dataverse, right? So this Dataverse you have to select it. So then add a new row. So table name, where we are adding which table? Contact table, we are going to add it. Contact. Okay, contact. you can use it. Okay, contacts. Yeah, contact is our entity name. So when you select that table, in that table, all columns names will be displayed like this. So last name, you have to map your Excel sheet and your entity fields. The last name, what you have to enter? Excel sheet last name only. Okay, just type it here, dynamic content, automatically it will display. And next, here first name also, right? First name also you can enter it. First name you have to search it. Automatically it is there. And email also. Search with email ID. Email. And mobile phone. Mobile number also you have to add it. Mobile. Okay. So now these are all the my Excel sheet. This data come from my Excel sheet and it will save in this contact table. Okay. So this is how it works. This is a try. And next catch also you have to add it, right? Try is done and catch. So add catch also. So catch is also you have to type with the scope only. Scope only. You have to use the scope only and rename the catch. Direct catch will not be there. Same way you have to add it. So catch. C-A-H. You can write anything, but I am writing handling errors. So what you need to do is here try catch. When you want to catch the errors, configure run after select it. If it is successful, no need. It has a failed, skipped, timeout, then error should come. Okay. These options you have to select. That's it, nothing else. And also, if you want, you can send a email also, right? Email also. Email means you can use send email option. Send email. Outlook 365 and send an email. Already we used it. And to MB Kumar 123. Okay. And subject you can use try catch error, and body you can write testing like that, anything. Testing try catch errors. That's it. Okay, you can write like that and then save it. Okay, you can save it. So when you save it, it is saving, right? See now what happened? Vijay file data. For example, I have data in the Excel sheet. Adit, Tanu, Anu. These three names and last names and all, everything should be inserted in the contact, this contact table. Okay. Okay. And now this is my, okay. Let me run it first. Let me run my flow. So go to the flow and run it. That's it. Data import. And this is the run. Okay, continue. Run flow. Done. So what you need to do is you need to open the flow and check whether it is running or not. Yeah, it is running and the status is also succeeded. Okay. So now you check it. See three check marks. Okay. So go and check whether these three records Adit, Tanu, Anu is displayed or not. You can check it. Okay, and there is a view, Vijay view or something, Kumar view I have created just now. See, Adit, no, created on this one, right? Yeah, Adit W, Anu Kumar, these three. Anu Tanu. Tanu also should be there somewhere. Tanu. Tanu. Yeah, you see. Tanu, Anu Kumar, Adit W. Anu Kumar, Tanu, Adit. And these three. So this is how we can, import data from the Excel sheet to CRM. Okay, it is easy process. Okay. So now, sir, how to create this view? Okay, this view you are able to show you, right? Mobile phone. When you edit the filter columns, it is temporary only. Okay, but end user how to create a view like this is a different view. If you see all contacts, this view is by default view. But if you want to create a separate view like this, okay, like this, first you need to do the, okay, two three ways you can do it. Set as default view. If you want, you can create it. Okay, and so there is a way actually. You go to the advanced setting. This is a different topic. If you want to create another view, advanced settings and filter, advanced find, and select your entity name, that is contacts, 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 connectors, consent, contact, and next edit the columns. Which column you want, you can edit it. For example, add columns, right? Column, you can add some columns like this. First name, last name, something is there, right? So you have to select those columns, phone number and all. Whichever column you want, you can, yeah, email ID is there. First name will be there somewhere. First name, last name, mobile number, yeah, mobile phone, mobile number or something, email ID, mobile phone, and email ID. Okay, already email ID is there, I think. First name, email ID, yes. So this is one, okay, view. Okay, this is one view, and then click OK. If you want sortings and everything, you can sort it out and save as one view. What view you want? You want to view is this is called try, simple try view. Save it. Just save it. And also here, if you want filter, only you can filter that one on. Also, for example, created on, created by is there, right? Created on today's date, you can put it. results, save it, and go and check it. That view will be displayed here. Just refresh it. It will come later, maybe after some time it will display. So these are all the views that I have created like that only. So this is how this Power Automate will work. So that's it for today. Anyone is having any questions?